Yo, what's up, guys? Right over here. What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be painting my front subframe for the 240. Can't really see because of the shadow, but it's basically all cleaned off real nice. What I'm gonna do is heat up the subframe with that heat gun and then apply the coats of paint. That's just gonna help it stick to the actual metal when you heat it up. Yeah, stay tuned.
You gon' tear their ass up, simple as that.
I'm gonna be doing the shifter on the cd009 gearbox. Yeah, gktech shifter, etc. Yeah, we're still during this quarantine shit, so I'm trying to just protect myself. Yeah. Well, first thing we're gonna do is really, motherfucker. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be putting on this gktech shifter that I don't currently have with me. But I just brought the dog leg, so let's get started on this. Basically, I took off the shifter here. It's just 4 bolts and it comes right out. You gotta tap this a little bit to get it out, but it will come out, I promise. And then you're gonna take this boot off. Now this comes with the gktech shifter for the cd009 gearbox. Basically, they want you to cut this excess metal here because it's gonna hit the shifter assembly. So let's do that now. You're just gonna put this here where it lines up with the dial pin, and I use this special thing that I had here. Stick this in there, and then you're just gonna mark right there and cut that off. So start recording again whenever I do that. cut the shaft off and yeah, just go over it with one of these wheels to make it all smooth. That way you don't cut yourself, fuck yourself up doing that. But yeah, it fits on there pretty good. I mean, it's like literally flush. So yeah, I just gotta put the rest of the shifter together, put the pin through here, and everything should be good. Alright, thanks baby. Alright, so basically you're gonna take the entire shifter apart. All this down to this thing here too. Just take the whole thing apart once you get it inside of your house or whatever. Alright, lubricate this on the inside. I probably put a little too much, but whatever. It's grease. Spring in there. You're gonna take this thing apart and you're gonna lubricate this. If I can get my grease.
Lubricate this ball here.
Ain't gonna tear their ass up, simple as that.
Back together. Only goes on one way. And it's kind of a pain in the ass. Make sure you start these by hand every single time, no matter what. Tight and lubricated. Next, you're going to take this piece here, pop it in here, and make sure this is facing to the right, obviously, which is the way that reverse goes. Again, always start these by hand. Last thing you want to do is fuck this up. make sure that spring is in there. And this. And I want reverse, so I'm going to put this all the way to the right. And the washers. Make sure these are facing the right way. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Got this shifter on there. The two short bolts go on the side and the two long bolts go up here, and you're going to make sure you put both washers under here and the silver one on top. Also, when you align this bushing, make sure it's flush with the shifter on top, and should work. This thing feels great. Can't wait to fucking put this thing with the JZ.